Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Stealing.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Stealing. Hey yo, Skilla.
Alright everybody, you don't know say the Skilla me there. And one more thing I come tell you right now is the same thing relating again. Klepto, thief. You get what I mean? Now, here's a young lady that put herself in a very awkward situation. You get what I said to you? Look at it. There it is. Observe.
If you ever
sorry for all time,
come on,
you ever pay. Sorry for pay for what? And we have to do.
I'm walking in your bum buckler choice. I'm about to I'm stabbing on your bum buckler and go flank and let the police go look for me on your pussy hole. Yeah, when the police come on my place go look for me and turn wanted man.
You may take it time, so we are coming to ask
so you come take my blood clot.
So me not take off my bag and give me back. And you tell them what they go tell me to pay for them.
You have a blood clot pay for them, you have to come in a country, nothing, no bumbo hole. Low Chinese man sitting pussy.
Aye. Give me pass.
That's what we do. You want to walk around some.
Can't buy the
So let me pass. When me pay for them, me not have no money to pay for them.
So where you coming a country for?
What the problem? What the problem?
Why your blood clot coming a country for?
Yes, what I talk about? Awkward situation. Now, let me tell you something. If it was food, if I did food, she a thief. It's bad, but not so bad. Because a hungry man, just hungry. Believe you me. You understand what I'm saying? It's not coming like worms beneath the ground. You know what I say? Show out for certain things because they need it. Like the oxygen or whatever. Once you need something, you need something. You understand what I'm saying? So if a food, you hear me say, if a food is bad, but not so bad. But when you go in a store, go thief one jeans pants and a thief hair product and them sitting there go up on the road so you can go look good in front of people and try to show say you have this and you have that. Them think they're not right. Yo. You get what I mean? And the security guard, you hear him with the knife saying want to stab and so forth. Look, Mr. Chin have goods in the place. Goods missing. Where the security guard did that do? All them things they missing. So you get the point to me I say, it's like him a try defend teamwork at the same time. You get what I'm saying? So he's like trying to be very aggressive to make sure that she not come back. You see? Look, all I can say is, you see, vanity control majority of the world. Majority of the people in the world have vanity. Now, me are looking at the store and me I wonder if a food should a thief. Cause believe me, any food should a thief. Me I tell you it bad, but it's not so bad. Somebody say I have like a pity pan her, but me not see no food item more than so. When me see I some little hair care products and certain things. Now get me wrong, you know, we don't see the whole of the store. You know. Somebody just speculate upon what we see out from the front. You get me? Jano. Lesson well learned. You see? Lesson well learned. You see? Me not going like me perfect, you know. You understand? You see what I say? Me we go to Babs and go. Like when I'm a little youth, me go to Babs and take a bills from my mother and all them things there. So I say, but you can't get me. Go in a Chinese man store. Go do them kind of things there, you see me? Worse again, we turn big adult. Me a man and she a woman. You see? Embarrassment that. You understand? So please people, if a food not thief, it's still bad. But me can understand because when you're hungry and times tough. You understand? I mean, I tell you if you go in a Burger King, go broke it in a night, no one them things. I mean, I tell you if you go do that. I'm not telling you to go broke Mr. Chin food store. Nah, said that. You understand me? The point is that when you're hungry, you're hungry. But this lady don't even look so hungry. She look well put together. You see it? Alright, anyways. Don't forget, if you need to know more, go on, you have to click the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me? My name is Skilla, and as always, you don't know, so this is Skilla for the Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Wow, good.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance!